Hello everyone, today we're doing TryHackMe CyberLens, so we'll just copy the IP. We'll go, so this one just pretty much says, challenge description, welcome to the clandestine world of CyberLens where shadows dance amidst, it's just a bunch of bullcrap. Don't worry about what it says. Nothing of it means anything. They just tell you to put IP address, and I'm just not going to waste your time reading all that nonsense. It says, be sure to add the IP into the Etsy host with cyberlens.thm. So we'll do that. So cyberlens.thm, set the IP. We'll do a Rust scan. It might need to be run a couple times. There it goes. So we'll do a Nmap scan on all of those ports, which is pretty much these. Some of them might not be the same in the 40,000s. Oh, they all are. This might take a couple minutes, not too long. There we go. Almost done. Should pop up pretty quick now. There we go. So it says port 80, just regular Apache, Win64, and then you got all the Microsoft stuff that's just noise, PandaPub, another HTTP that doesn't have a title, and it's just API. And then down here you have another HTTP that says Jetty, and then right here it says Apache um, Tika 1.17. So let's copy that and search what that is. So if we just do Searchsploit, it says that there's a Metasploit module. So let's use Metasploit and check that out. So we'll just do search Tika 1.17 or Apache or whatever, and then we'll just use use 0 options. And then we'll need the IP address again, because up here it says our host, and then we need to change our port, and then you need to change your local port and IP address to match. So just do set our host, and then set our port 61777, and then run after you've set your local port and host. It might need to be run more than once to get an actual shell. The very first time I did, I had to run it twice to get it. Just like that one, didn't get it. first time. When it takes a little bit longer like that, it usually means that it's doing its thing. There we go. So now we can just do get UID to see who we are. And we're CyberLens, so just change directory to users. Not fat fingered that one. Users and then CyberLens. And then we'll go to desktop. And we can get the user text. So there's the user text. And we need the root text. So for that, we'll just, it's pretty simple. We just got to background our session and then use, so just do background, BG, and then do sessions to see what the number is. So ID is 1, and then we just need to do use multi-recon recon local exploit suggester. Where's the address? Yeah, suggester. That's not it. There we go. And then options. And it'll say session. So just do set session to the number that it was listed, which was 1. And then just do run. And it'll do its thing. So saying this one's it's vulnerable. The target is vulnerable to the first one right here. And then saying appears to be the target. Yeah, all the rest of them just say appear to be so far. So we'll try the first one. Let's copy that because we'll need it once this thing finishes. So right here, it's the same thing. It's just saying, you know, all these appear to be vulnerable, but the only one that is, and it says this one is, you know, just registry writable. So that's not really helpful for us right now. So just do use and then paste what you like exploits, and then just do options. And it says, so you need to set the local port to a different port since we already have a session on the other one, and then set the session. So just do set session 1, and then set L port to whatever you feel like, and then run. Almost there. There we go. So now if we just do get UID again, it says we're a net authority system, so we'll just change directory into the users. Admin straight tour, and then we'll do the desktop again. This was in there on the last one. and we get the admin text. So that's the end of this capture the flag. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, hit me up. Peace.